Morning, Spuddies. I haven't got permission from the new boss in town, the new sheriff in town yet, but I think I'm going to join in today on Mandy's Mega Foods May. Here's my Mega Foods for the morning. Very, very simple. Ooh, I just realised I'm in undies. There we go. I got my undies on. It's breakfast time. Mandy's sleeping in. We have an arrangement where Mandy gets a sleep in and I get an afternoon nap. So I'm up doing breakfast with the boys. They're having their breakfast at the moment, and here's mine. Sliced air-fried potatoes. Those are pre-boiled. I boiled them yesterday in the fridge overnight not because I think they need to be in the fridge, just because I didn't eat all of the ones that we made yesterday. So a slice of potato with a slice of tomato. I'll put a little bit of salt on it on them, and then I'll eat them, and that's going to be good. Preparing for a podcast with the great David Clark this morning. He's going to be interviewing me, and I'm excited about that. So yeah, just thought you might like to see what they're like served up. So there you go. It's pretty simple. Let's just put the slices on top of the potatoes, and they're good. Just a little bit of herb amare, salt seasoning stuff. 3 potatoes with 2 tomatoes wasn't enough. I'm still hungry. 2 mandarins time. Hungry again. It's 10:30 a.m, like brunch time. 2 bananas. Probably have more, but start with 2. I stole my banana, so I'm having 2 more. That makes 3 bananas.
Morning. Is it morning? It's nearly afternoon. Excuse me. Just breathe in pepper again. This is the oatmeal that I made yesterday. It's spicy Mexican oatmeal. I've just put some, I didn't bother cooking the whole top stuff. I just microwaved it with a bit of the cheese sauce that I made yesterday, and obviously lettuce from the garden and some tomato, and that's it. It's so good. I'm really into this breakfast oatmeal, this savoury oatmeal thing. It's amazing. So this is kind of lunch really. It's late. As Andrew said, I sleep in the morning and he gets an afternoon nap. And I just want to clarify that Andrew asked me to do this Mega Foods May thing, and then he's going to saying as if I'm trying to take over the whole thing. Sorry, no.
Well, okay.
Yeah. All right. Back now. Go on. Oh,
put that down and
we'll just let it
film me.
eat,
Yeah, but no bad luck. Film me. Oops, hang on. Oh.
No. Okay.
All right. So I have some onion in there. Oops, I better stir that.
Oh.
Got a wok going, and the onion's a bit. It's actually ready to do the next thing. So I'll just do that.
Water.
Well, I don't, because this broccoli will defrost and add the water to it. So this is half a kilo of frozen broccoli, which is a little bit more than a pound. And as that defrosts now, it will add water to it, so I don't need to add water. I'm also going to put some mushrooms in, not the whole bag. I'll put in like a decent handful of mushrooms, and I'll also add some green beans and some peas to it. And then usually I have it with soy sauce and sriracha, but today I'm going to use some of Mandy's leftover cheese sauce. I'll show you when it's done. Alright, so I've added the other stuff. That's frozen green bean, big handful of that. Frozen peas, big handful of that. And then chopped up mushrooms, big handful of that. I really like using stuff that's already prepared. So it's already got onion and garlic in it. That was frozen chopped onion, a jar of already minced garlic. So all I do is just empty stuff in. It saves time, things happen really quickly. There's no chopping and things like that. It just goes in. I think, well, you don't lose any nutrition from frozen stuff, but maybe people would argue that fresh is better as far as flavour and all of that. But yeah, I'm just trying to get things done quick, because things happen around here with 2 kids and with all the stuff that's going on. So I'm just trying to get stuff done quick. So I use all the frozen pre-cut stuff.
Lunchtime, that breakfast was super filling, so I haven't needed much else or anything else since then. I've made a salad finally of, now it's a grains and beans mix. It's got red kidney beans, I think, and frike and lentils. And these things I really recommend. Andrew threw out the packet, but it just comes in a packet together, and then you just cook it. It's so easy. I love it because it's convenience food, but it's not like, it's just beans and lentils. It's perfect Mega Foods. It's awesome. So that with rocket, and I've put fresh beetroot on, and I've put cranberries in there too, and then I have put on top this black fig vincotto. Delicious.
Epic, massive lunch, cheesy sauce over all that stuff I showed you. Yum.
So it's dinner time, and I have, where is it? There. I've made a huge pot of mash with carrot and zucchini in it, as well as obviously a big pile of potatoes. And then I put steamed peas in, mix them through, and then I use the cheese sauce from last night, and then I have mint sauce on top. And it's just exciting. I love mint sauce. And then white pepper, because I'm still into white pepper. It's very underrated.
There you go. Day 6 down. How do you reckon Mandy's going? She's killing it. Mandy, Mega, I'm getting my words tied up here. Mandy's Mega Foods May is my favourite month of the year so far. I'm loving it. And don't you reckon she's a great cook, and she's very creative, and yeah, I hope you're enjoying it, and I hope you're getting ideas, and I hope you've enjoyed my little cameo today. If you like what's going on, then share it with your friends, like, subscribe below, and go and check out our Mega Foods course at spudfit.com. There's a link below. And yeah, comment below, let us know what you think of all this, and let us know if you've tried any of what we've done. Spud up. Did I cover it, Mandy?
Huh?
Did I cover it?
What?
What I did?
I don't know.
Mandy doesn't know.
I'm doing other things.
Bye.